Alrighty, YouTube family, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how to drive massive amounts of targeted traffic for free to your websites or offers. Stick around, you're going to want to see this whole video because there's a bonus coming up after it. We're going to get started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said in the intro, I'm going to show you guys how to drive massive amounts of targeted traffic for free to your websites or offers today. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel, or you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please reach down there below and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty, also what we do here, if you're new to the channel or videos, we do affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos, and how-to videos, general value videos, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you as well, okay? Alrighty guys, with that to do out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I'm excited to show this to you. And so what we're going to do is come over here to a website. It's called the freeadforum.com. You can see it up here in the address bar, the freeadforum.com. It's a classified ad site. This site gets massive amounts of traffic every day, all day. It's a good place to place your ads. And what you want to do is you want to come here and, there's many classified ad sites out there, but this site I like because of the amount of traffic that it seems to be getting. What you want to do is you want to come here to the freeadforum.com. You want to click on register first and register your account. When you click on register, they're going to ask you for your email address, and you want to confirm it, and then you got to enter the little CAPTCHA thing here, and then put in a username and a password and accept the terms, and then click submit. And what's going to happen is they're going to send you a confirmation mail to your email address that you entered in, and you'll need to confirm your account. Okay, and once you get that done, then you can log in, and I'll go ahead and log into my account. I've already got my account here, so let me go ahead and do the CAPTCHA thing here. Hopefully if I get this right here. Okay, here. Alright, so when you come here and you get logged into your account, what you want to do is, this is kind of like your back office here, and you can see messages from other people and other things going on here on this thing. What you want to do is come up here and click on place a free ad, and when you click on that, that's going to open up when it loads up here. It's running a little bit slow. Here we go. Alright, so it brings you to this right here, and you can, now they have options here where you can choose to have your ad up for a year for $5, or upgrade it at checkout for $5 for that too. And it'll put it on the front listing. If you saw those front listings over there on the front page a moment ago that were flashing different colored words and things, that's where your ad will show up. But for free, you can have your ad on the site for 90 days for free. Okay? That's what this is all about. It's all about doing this for free here. Okay? Now, what you want to do when you come here is you want to click on, scroll down this little window right here, and you want to click on jobs, where it says jobs right here at the bottom. Click on jobs. This opens up another category here, and you want to scroll down there. Once it goes, you can scroll down and pick any of these categories that you want to place your ad in. Of course, if you're placing a business ad or a money-making offer or something like that, of course you're going to want to choose business opportunities, right? Like we see right here. So if we click on business opportunities, and that'll open up another here in a moment, I would think. Okay, so we're in business opportunities. I thought it was going to open up another subcategory. Alright, and you see right here, you want to make sure that it says right here 90 days no cost. like I was telling you, your ad for free can be on here for 90 days. That's 3 months for no cost at all. But if you wanted to, you can do the $5 for a year to have your ad on their featured side, which was the ones over here on the left side, for a whole year. Pretty cheap price actually, but here again we're talking about free, right? All right, so you get 3 months for free. Then here you want to put a title in. You want to make sure that you put a title of your ad in. Now I have an ad that I created here that I'm going to go ahead and now, just to show you guys how to do this, how easy it is, I'm going to go ahead and just create an ad right now, right before your eyes. Okay, live. If I get the right software up here, just a moment here. I do have an ad created in here. There it is. Alright, so I created this ad here, want realistic income with an easy program. That's the title that I'm going to use. And you guys can create your own ads, or as many ads as you want. And then we'll paste that ad. This is simple copy and paste ads. Just that simple. So we see we have our title in. Now we're going to put our body of the message in down here. And that is right here. It says, are you looking for an authentic system that gets results? No hype, no lies, just a real program that works. Take a look now, and then be prepared to be amazed and get over $3,600 in free bonuses when you join. Right? So we're going to paste that in down here. Okay. And we can sort of center it up a little bit. I guess I should do the whole thing here and center that up. There we go. And then I'm gonna sort of make it a little bit larger text here too. Text color, background format. Let's make it about the size of heading 3 here. Well, if I'm just not getting it right here, let's try this one more time here. Let's go heading 3. Boom. There we go. That looks a little bit better. A little bit larger. Good clean. Good and clean. Now, down here you want to make sure that you put your tags in. Just like on YouTube or just like anything, you're doing SEO, right? Search engine optimization. It's important here too. Alright, so we want to make sure we put our tags in here. Now I have some tags I already put up here. And I'm just going to copy these tags right here. And we'll paste them in there. Right there. Alright, so we got our tags in here. Now this down here, this section, the price and shipping and handling, and just leave that blank. Down here you want to make sure that your email is in here. One of your email addresses. Now right here under region, you're going to choose the country that you want the ad to be in. And of course it's all over the world. It's worldwide, as you can see. They've got United States at the top, of course. And then you can post these ads as many times as you want, all day long, every day, in any of these countries and sub cities, which we'll see come up here in a minute. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the United States here, and then it drops down. It says state, province, or district, and you can choose any state you want. I'm going to go ahead and go with New Jersey here, and then it gives you. Then it opens up this other box over here. I'll bring this up here where you can see it, and you can choose what part of New Jersey or the city that you chose. Right. So let's go with South Jersey here. Now, if you want to add a region here, another region, it's $1 per region. Okay, so if we click add a region, you see the cost is $1, and you can add whatever other country or region and so on and so forth, just like we did up here. But we don't want to do that. This is for free, right? That's what we're talking about here. All right, now the important thing here is when you do this, remember right here where it says your website URL. You want to make sure that you include your URL so that they can click over to your offer or your website, right? Now your website can be an actual website that you have, or it can be your landing page. Landing page and website are synonymous with each other. They mean the same thing. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and type my landing page in here, which you guys probably see up at the top of the window there in the video. You see where it says, click the link in the description below where it says mentorwithkev.com. That's what I'm going to put in here. Make sure I spell it right here. mentorwithkev.com. Okay, I'll put a little / after it there. Alright, now if you want to also, you can upload, for the free version, you can upload anywhere from 0 to 7 images. And I'm going to select a file, and I'm going to choose a money file. Something, this looks like money right here. I'm going to choose that picture. Alright, because we're advertising our business, right? Make money offer. Alright, and you can choose a YouTube video. This is good too. If you have a YouTube channel, this will create backlinks to your YouTube channel and your videos, which will help your YouTube channel grow in the search engines, right? As well as get you more views to your videos. Alright, so I'm going to come over, I think, here to my channel. Click on Creator Studio here, so I can load up some of my videos. And I'm going to choose I like that one down here. Where is it at there? Yeah, right here. Make $100 a day by simply drawing lines. It's nice to have a YouTube video too, because people can see you, and that builds the trust, right? You want to build up. You want them to get to know you and to trust you and like you, right? So it's good to, I'm going to say it's recommended probably to put a YouTube video, if you have one, into your ad that you create. Okay? Alright, so I'm taking the link right here to that video, and we'll just bring that back over here and we'll paste it right into here. Then we'll click on Add the Video. Alright, now, and it shows up there. Now you can add up to 3 videos on your ad if you want. I think 1 video should be enough. Alright, so then we come down. The rest of this stuff is just if you want to add some extra different, you want to bold the title, better placement, and like they showed up there earlier for the yearly long thing or whatever, and so on and so forth. But that's not what we're dealing with right now. And here's some of the different words that you can attach to it if you purchase your feature listing, that you can add to it too to help attract attention. But we're going to go ahead and come down here now that we've got everything entered in like we want it, right? Just want to make sure that you've got everything in the way that you want it when you created your ad here. Now we're going to come down and click the next step here. And remember what I said, you want to stick around for this whole video because there's a bonus coming up here in just a moment. Alright, so we see here that it says right here, your order has been received successfully. Thank you. Alright, now so we can test it and see. Right here is my classified ad, and it says no cost right here. See the cost? That's what it should be, no cost. And then I'll click on this just to see the ad and see what it looks like. And there it is. See? There's my picture. The video is in there, one of my videos. And then down here is the ad that talks about it. And then here's the link to my website. So if somebody clicks on this link right here, it's going to open up in a new tab. And it brings them over here to my landing page when they click on mentorwithkev.com, right? Or click on my website. And then that brings them through into my offer. Okay? And that's what you can do too. You can do the very same thing here. Now, but if you think about this is pretty tedious, isn't it? Can you imagine doing that? It would take you hours to do this one at a time for each state, each city and region. It would take a long time. That's pretty tedious work, right? enter the bonus that I was telling you about a moment ago. Check this out. You're going to want to come over to a site here called coolmarketingsoftware.com. And I'll have the link for this website right down in the description, right at the top of my description there. You just click on the link there, and it'll bring you right over here to this. Now what you want to do here is you want to sign up for their newsletter here, and get this. You can get $597 worth of free software here, which has to do with posting on classifieds and other classified ad sites. Now, but here's the bonus thing. You can come here to coolmarketingsoftware.com, and they have free pro submitter. No, not free. There's about four. These first five here are paid. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of these. These are their paid submitters. These things will submit. Well, for example, let's just say the free ad form pro submitter here says it will submit unlimited ads to any category and to any city in any country database on the free ad form. Okay, it submits much faster, and you can include up to 7 pictures and a YouTube video with your ads, and no proxies, no CAPTCHA services, no ghosting of your ads, since they own it, and by far the easiest, most hassle-free software they've created. And it will submit it is all at one time. In other words, you just create your ad with all of these submitters that you see here. You create your ad one time, click a button, and it sends it out to all the different states and countries and regions all at one time, and posts them automatically on those sites. Excuse me. So you see the power of this right here. So it's definitely what you want to do. Now, I like this one personally myself. I'll call it the OS class submitter here. It does it to 10 different high traffic classified sites all at once, rather than just all on one classified site. You can post to 10 different in as often as you want in any categories, and rotate the campaigns on all sites automatically, and it doesn't use CAPTCHAs, and the posting is free once the software is purchased. That's kind of the one I like. I looked into it a little bit. I haven't purchased it yet, but I'm highly thinking about it here. Now, there's some free ones down here. If we come down a little farther, there's a couple free ones. They got the free ad form free submitter. This software will submit your ad to 50 random cities on the freeadforum.com job and business opportunities section, which works perfect for us that are affiliate marketers, right? Or if you're, even with e-commerce, you have a website with that. You can put your ads in on that too, right? And then there's a free global classified ad submitter. Posts up to 500 ads per day on autopilot to U.S. cities on freeglobalclassifiedads.com. No captures and proxies needed. Super easy to use and completely free software for a limited time. It looks like that's what they're saying here. All right, so yeah, that's the bonus I want to tell you about. It's tedious to do it one at a time just on the site itself. But if you come and get this software, you can do it in one click and send these ads out and have them posted on all those sites or in all those categories on the free ad forum site, all in one click. Okay? Well, guys, that's what I had for you today. I know you got some value out of this video. Reach down there and give me a like if you would. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Reach down there below and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. And don't forget to click down in the description if you want to see my #1 recommended business. Click where it says mentorwithkev.com and check out the bonuses on my bonus page for that. Okay? Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Okay? You guys have an awesome day. Take care now. Bye-bye.